I try to keep in mind the moments where I have seen people in the industry not having enough empathy,
Mm.
um, and that's my driver. So whenever I end up hearing myself going into that direction, um, I try to step away from that and uh, try to go back because it's very easy, right? It's very easy to. So I think I mentioned this before in the past. In general, the pharma industry tends to think about the doctors just as a doctor, as someone who prescribes, and people assume, and this is across the industry, right? So I have seen many examples where people assume that because if you convince the doctor and the doctor prescribes, the patient is just going to take the medication,
Mm.
and that means that we are taking patients for granted. We're just assuming, oh, because you're a patient and you're going to take my medicine just because you need it,
Yeah.
and I don't think that's true. So that's why, and I have seen maybe people do it unconsciously. I'm not saying that we are like evil and bad and etc.
Yeah.
Which is how many people perceive pharma, but I think that's the focus. So everybody's focused on their own silo.
Mm. Mm.
That the least important part is how to ensure that the patient feels comfortable receiving the therapy.